In today's video, we're going over how to use the one thing that people tell you not to do when dieting, crash dieting. See, I've been a personal trainer and online coach for the past 8 years, and there's 3 things that people do that actually keep people from really accomplishing their goals. And number 1 is people tell people to go too slow. Number 2 is people tell people to go too fast. And number 3 is those same people don't necessarily take one's own psychology into the equation. Guys, there's a lot more to this fitness thing than calculating someone's calories and then giving them numbers to hit over the course of 16 weeks. So let me teach you why crash dieting is the way to go. When people refer to crash dieting, they refer to something unsustainable done for a prolonged period of time that inherently does more harm than good. And so you're probably like, Sky, well, if it's so bad, why are you recommending this? And that's the thing, the poison lies within the dosage. So instead of looking at a crash diet in its entirety, we're gonna pull back and do it acutely, take a certain amount of time. And this is what I like to call the sprint. See, let's take that analogy. Most people say dieting is a marathon, not a sprint. Well, if you even take a look at a marathon, no single runner is running the same pace throughout the entirety of the race, or you're gonna get left behind. Take a look at the beginning of the race. You want to set the tone. You wanna find your position, and you're gonna be running damn near close to a sprint in order to set the tone for the race. See, right now, in the beginning of someone's journey, you're motivated. You wanna go from 0 to 100 real quick. You want to make a change in your life. And see, I wanna take advantage of this situation right here to push a little harder than we normally would. You have a ton of willpower. You're kind of stuck in a plateau. And we wanna prove to you that not only can you lose weight, not only can you make progress, but that this plateau doesn't exist. See, this sprint should really make the weight move on the scale. And I know you don't wanna necessarily attach yourself to the number, but hey, even I, a coach for the past 10 years, look at that scale. Sometimes it's like, oh, all right, let's pull back a little bit. See, and I only recommend anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks. Is it gonna be tough? Yeah, it's gonna be a little tough. Are you gonna be perfect? No, probably not. You're gonna mess up here and there, but there is nothing like messing up, going a little bit over on calories, missing a workout here and there, but still seeing progress. And now you're probably asking, well, why are you gonna see progress if you mess up? Because since we're going more aggressive, there's more room for error. So yeah, push a little hard, get a little aggressive, get a little uncomfortable, take advantage of the willpower that you have right now. Because yes, this isn't sustainable, but check this out. Once you're out of this sprint and you pull back, you're finally gonna see how good you actually have it. And that's what this is, guys. It's a taste of going aggressive. It's utilizing someone's willingness to be motivated to push a little harder. It's also making sure that they understand that once you do pull back, you have this tool in your arsenal to use anytime you really feel like you're in a real plateau. Guys, if you like the video, then like the freaking video. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this every single day. Coaching is going to be the first link in the description box below, and that's going to be it for me. Watch another video that YouTube is going to recommend. Peace, love, gains, and I'll talk to you soon.